Now I am going to dictate a legal passage based on Progressive Shorthand Magazine, May 2025, exercise 24 at the rate of 100 words per minute. Let's start. At the outset, we may mention that the dispute between the parties pertain to the shares of respondent number 1, Star Health Insurance Company, standing in the name of the respondent numbers 3 to 7. As per the appellants / plaintiffs, it is respondent number 2 which has the beneficial interest in those shares. In this behalf, the appellants / plaintiffs filed the suit through their power of attorney holders before the High Court of Madras, seeking inter alia the relief of declaration of beneficial interest of respondent number 2 herein in the shares which are in the names of respondent numbers 3 to 7. These constitute a total of 6.16% of the shareholding of respondent number 1. However, issue before this court is very limited, which pertains to the territorial jurisdiction, viz. Whether High Court of Madras has the territorial jurisdiction to entertain the suit filed by the appellants herein. As per Clause 12 of the letters patent, along with the suit, the plaintiffs also filed application for seeking leave to sue on the ground that a substantial part of cause of action had arisen within its jurisdiction. This application was allowed by the High Court by its order dated January 12, 2018. After the service of summons in that suit, respondent number 1 herein filed applications for revoking leave to institute the suit within the jurisdiction of Madras High Court on the ground that it lacked territorial jurisdiction to decide the suit. Similar applications were filed by respondent numbers 2 and 3 as well. Respondent numbers 4, 6 and 7 filed memos supporting these applications. The learned single judge of the High Court dismissed these applications, holding that High Court had the jurisdiction to entertain the suit. Appeals against this order were filed by respondent numbers 1 to 9. The division bench has allowed these appeals by the common judgment dated August 03, 2018, thereby rejecting the plaint on the ground that suit in the High Court of Madras was not maintainable due to lack of territorial jurisdiction. This order is impugned in the instant appeals. The brief facts leading to the case may be stated at this stage. It may be mentioned that only those facts which are essential to decide the controversy regarding jurisdictional issue are taken note of. Also, for the sake of clarity and convenience, the parties are addressed as plaintiffs and defendants on the basis of memo of the parties in the suit. The case of the plaintiffs was that the majority group of shareholders of defendant number 2 should have taken some steps in order to assert that it was having a beneficial interest in. Stop. Thank you.